Ever pondered about the magic behind conversational AI? How do they understand and respond to your queries so accurately? It's not by chance, nor is it purely a result of technological advancement. It's a fascinating world that's powered by the art and science of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the backbone of conversational AI, the unseen force that gives life to our digital interactions. It's a meticulously crafted process that involves designing prompts or questions that elicit the desired responses from AI models. Imagine it as a conversation between two entities, the human and the AI. The human asks, the AI responds. But how does the AI know what to respond? That's where prompt engineering comes into play. It's the secret recipe that guides the AI, helping it comprehend and respond in a manner that's almost human-like. Prompt engineering is the secret sauce that makes these conversational AI models so incredibly smart and responsive. So, what exactly will you learn in this prompt engineering course? Well, let's dive right in. The course is structured in a way that it starts from the very basics and then gradually moves towards the more advanced concepts. We commence with an introduction to artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Here, you'll understand what AI is, how it works, and how natural language processing plays a pivotal role in creating smart systems that can understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Once you've got a good grip on the basics, we then transition into the more advanced topics. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of training AI models. This includes understanding how to feed data into these models, how to tweak them, and how to optimize them for maximum accuracy and efficiency. Next, we move on to the exciting part, creating prompts. Here, you'll learn how to design effective prompts that elicit the desired responses from AI. You'll explore various strategies and techniques for prompt creation, and will get a chance to test their effectiveness. But that's not all. The course also includes real-world applications and hands-on projects. You'll have the opportunity to apply what you've learned in practical scenarios, helping you solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. By the end of this course, you'll be able to design effective prompts, train AI models, and even build your own conversational AI. Ready to unlock the mysteries of conversational AI? Observe how crucial prompt engineering is in today's tech-saturated world. It's the key that opens the door to a realm brimming with exciting opportunities. By enrolling in our course, you're not simply learning a skill, you're gaining a powerful tool to navigate the AI industry. You're on the brink of becoming an integral part of the ongoing tech revolution. Enroll in the prompt engineering course today. Begin your journey towards becoming an AI wizard and shape the future of technology.